Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at a case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max that comes to us from UAG. This is the UAG Pathfinder case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we're going to take a look at the Pathfinder case. This is the packaging. If you guys want to pause this, read it for yourself, you definitely can. This is for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Drop protection, soft impact resistant core, armor shell, wireless charging compatible, featherlight composite construction. So this is what the packaging looked like. If you guys are curious, rugged, lightweight, drop tested protection, 18 feet, 5.5 drop protection. So let's just pop this baby out. The reason why that I went with the white one, because this does actually come in multiple colors, is because I really wanted the silver iPhone 14, and that one was sold out really fast, so I actually went with a deep purple. But now I get a chance to actually get the color that I actually wanted with a case. But it will look like it probably will get dirty a little bit quickly, but this is how it looks. So you have that rugged texture here on the sides, and you have your power button right there. Pretty clicky. Let's see how that camera protection is. It is a little bit flush, and this is how it looks for the corners. It looks really nice. All right, a lot of protection for that front. Check out that wallpaper there. All right, so this is what it looks like. It has the perfect light for your... Alright, so here's what it looks like. You guys let me know what you guys think. This is the camera protection. And for the front lip, is really good. Exposed there for your charging slot and your speaker. Everything looks pretty good. And you have these little rugged texture here that'll give you more grip for your fingers. And the volume is clicky, and the volume up and down is actually clicky as well. So what do you guys think about the Pathfinder case from UAG? Go a little bit slow. You can check out the texture. This is what it's going to look like from the front. Really nice. I don't have a tempered glass on this, but you should be absolutely perfect when it comes to not having a tempered glass, or actually having one. But you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the Pathfinder case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Really nice. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. It looks like right over here you could probably add a lanyard here. I wonder if they added a lanyard with this one now. I doubt it, but it does have a little cutout there on two sides, so you're able to actually add a lanyard. That's probably one of the first times that I actually seen that for the Pathfinder case. Let me know down in the comments if I'm wrong. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the UAG Pathfinder and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. I really like this color. Really, guys.